Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
And I'm Leo, your student and your friend in this English journey.
That's right. Today, we have a super useful topic, something that people talk about every single day. The weather. Sun, rain, snow.
Oh, yes. I always hear people talk about the weather when they meet. It's like the first thing they say.
Exactly. Talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. It's friendly, simple, and perfect for beginners.
Great. I need this. Sometimes I just don't know what to say when I meet someone.
Then this lesson will help you a lot. So, Leo, let's start with a simple question. How's the weather today?
The weather is sunny.
Perfect. That's a great start. You can also say, it's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
Excellent pronunciation. So, how's the weather and it's sunny today are two very common sentences.
Got it. Are there other ways to answer that question?
Yes, many. Let's go through the main types of weather. When it's bright and warm outside, we say, it's sunny. You can also say, it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day. I like that one.
Me too. And if it's very hot, you can say, it's really hot today.
It's really hot today.
Perfect acting. You can also say, it's boiling hot. That means extremely hot.
Boiling hot. Wow, I'll remember that one.
Now, let's talk about rainy days. When it rains, you can say, it's raining, or it's a rainy day.
Easy enough.
And if it's raining a lot, you can say, it's pouring.
Pouring? What does that mean?
It means it's raining heavily, like a strong storm.
Ah, okay. So it's pouring outside.
Exactly. You can also say, don't forget your umbrella.
I always forget my umbrella.
Me too. Another phrase people say is, it's wet and windy.
Wet and windy. Sounds like a bad day for going out.
Yes, perfect understanding. Now let's go to the opposite kind of day, cold weather. When it's cold, you can say, it's cold today, or it's freezing.
Freezing means very, very cold, right?
Exactly. When you say, I'm freezing, it means you feel extremely cold.
I'm freezing.
Great acting again. You can also say, it's snowing when snow is falling.
I've never seen snow before.
Really? Oh, you have to see it someday. It's beautiful.
I will. So, it's snowing or it's cold. Easy.
What about windy days? You can say, it's windy, or there's a strong wind today.
Strong wind. Okay, that makes sense.
And if the wind is soft, you can say, there's a nice breeze.
Nice breeze. That sounds relaxing.
It is. Imagine being at the beach with a nice breeze.
Ah, that's perfect.
Sometimes the weather changes a lot in one day. For example, it's sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon.
Oh, yes, that happens all the time where I live.
Then you can say, the weather is changing, or it's a bit unpredictable today.
Unpredictable. That means it's hard to know what will happen, right?
Exactly. Very good, Leo.
Thank you, teacher.
Now let's practice how people use weather to start a conversation.
Like small talk, right?
Yes. For example, it's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Perfect. Or if it's raining, what terrible weather today.
I know. I wish it would stop raining.
That's perfect natural English, Leo. Great job. We learned lots of common phrases to describe the weather. Now we'll practice longer conversations about how weather affects your day, like what you wear, what you do, and how you feel.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
Now we'll take it a step further and learn how to talk about what you do when the weather changes, what you wear, what plans you make, and how you feel about it.
Awesome. That's very useful for real life.
Let's start with what we wear. Leo, what do you usually wear when it's cold?
I wear a jacket, Jeans and sometimes a scarf.
Perfect. You can say, when it's cold, I wear a jacket.
When it's cold, I wear a jacket.
Great. And if it's very cold, you can add, I wear a heavy coat and gloves.
Heavy coat and gloves. Nice.
And when it's hot, what do you wear?
Oh, easy. I wear shorts, a t-shirt, and sunglasses.
Excellent. You can say, when it's hot, I wear light clothes.
Light clothes. That means not thick, right?
Exactly. Thin and comfortable. Now, let's talk about activities, what people do depending on the weather. What do you like to do when it's sunny, Leo?
I like to go outside, maybe to the park or the beach.
Perfect. You can say, when it's sunny, I like to go for a walk.
When it's sunny, I like to go for a walk.
Or, I like to spend time outdoors.
Outdoors. That means outside, right?
Exactly. Outdoors means outside, and indoors means inside.
Ah, easy to remember.
And what about rainy days?
I usually stay home and watch movies.
Same here. You can say, when it's raining, I stay home. Or, I don't like going out when it rains.
I don't like going out when it rains. That's true for me.
Perfect. And you can add, I take my umbrella when I go out.
I take my umbrella when I go out. Got it.
What about when it's cold or snowing?
I think I would drink hot chocolate.
That's a great answer. You can say, when it's cold, I like to drink hot chocolate.
When it's cold, I like to drink hot chocolate.
And you can also say, I stay at home and read a book. Or, I wear warm clothes and go for a walk in the snow.
I love that one. Warm clothes. Nice phrase.
What about windy or stormy days?
Ah, I don't like those. I usually close all the windows and stay inside.
That's a good idea. You can say, when it's windy, I stay indoors. Or, when there's a storm, I feel a little scared.
That's me.
It's true for many people. Now let's talk about feelings related to the weather. Some people love hot weather. Others prefer cold. What about you, Leo?
I think I prefer warm weather. Not too hot, not too cold.
Me too. You can say, I like warm weather. Or, I don't like cold weather.
Easy.
And if it's raining, you might say, rain makes me feel sleepy.
That's true. I always want to sleep when it rains.
Same here. Or, sunny days make me happy.
Sunny days make me happy. I love that one.
It's a very natural way to express emotion with weather vocabulary. Let's practice a short, natural conversation about weather and plans, okay?
Let's do it.
Hey, Leo, what's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
That's great. What are you going to do?
I think I'll go for a walk in the park.
Nice. Don't forget your sunscreen.
Good idea. Thanks.
Perfect. That's exactly how a simple, real conversation sounds. Excellent job, Leo. Now you know how to describe the weather, your feelings, what you wear, and what you do.
That's awesome. I feel more confident already.
Great. In this part, we'll learn how to ask about the weather, talk about seasons, and use weather expressions like under the weather or a storm is coming.
Cool. Let's continue.
So, Leo, let's imagine you're on vacation in Canada. You wake up, open the window, and it's snowing. What do you say?
Wow, it's snowing. That's amazing.
Perfect. You can also say it's snowing a lot or it's snowing heavily.
Heavily means a lot, right?
Exactly. Heavily means with intensity. For example, it's raining heavily.
Got it. So if I see just a few snowflakes, I can say it's snowing a little.
Yes, or it's snowing lightly.
Lightly, like opposite of heavily.
You're learning fast, Leo. Now, how do you feel about cold weather?
I don't like it very much. I prefer warm weather.
Same here. When it's cold, I just want to stay under a blanket with hot chocolate.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I would do the same.
So let's review some cold weather vocabulary. Can you think of words related to cold weather?
Snow, ice, wind, coat, gloves, and scarf.
Great list. You can also say freezing, chilly, and frost.
Frost? What's that?
Frost is a thin layer of ice that forms on surfaces when it's very cold, like on your car window in the morning.
Oh, I've seen that in movies.
Exactly. And do you know the difference between cold and freezing?
Cold means not warm, and freezing means very, very cold?
That's right. If you say it's freezing, people will know it's super cold.
It's cold, normal. It's freezing, very cold.
Perfect, Leo. Now, what about hot weather?
I like hot weather. I can go to the beach and wear shorts.
That's the spirit. What can you say when it's very hot?
It's hot.
Yes, and you can make it stronger. It's really hot, or it's boiling.
Boiling? Like water?
Exactly. It's a funny way to say it's extremely hot. For example, it's boiling outside.
I remember that one.
You can also say it's burning or it's scorching.
Wow, those sound strong.
Yes, native speakers use them a lot in summer.
So, Anna, when it's hot and sticky, what's that word again?
Humid. When the air feels heavy and wet, you say, it's humid today.
Ah, yes, I don't like humid weather.
Me neither. My hair gets crazy.
Same here.
Now, let's talk about wind. How do you describe it?
It's windy?
Yes. And if the wind is very strong, you can say it's very windy or it's stormy.
Stormy? That means with a storm, right?
Exactly. Stormy weather usually means rain, thunder, and lightning.
Lightning. That's the flash of light in the sky, right?
Yes. And the sound after lightning is called thunder.
Oh, so lightning is the light and thunder is the sound.
Perfect, Leo. You got it.
I think I'll remember that one.
Let's make some examples. Say, it's raining and there's thunder.
It's raining and there's thunder.
Good. Now, it's stormy with lightning.
It's stormy with lightning.
Excellent.
This is fun. Talking about the weather is easier now.
That's great to hear. Let's do one more review. Some mixed examples.
Okay, teacher.
I'll describe the weather, and you tell me what you would say. Ready?
Ready.
You look outside, the sun is shining, it's warm and beautiful.
It's a beautiful sunny day.
Perfect. Next one, you hear thunder and see rain.
It's stormy.
Great. Now you're freezing and there's snow everywhere. It's snowing and it's freezing outside.
It's snowing and it's freezing outside.
Excellent, Leo. You're ready for any kind of weather conversation.
Ha! Thanks, Anna. Now I can talk about the weather like a native speaker.
You're doing amazing.
Thank you. I think next time I'll check the weather and say it out loud in English.
That's the best way to practice. Connect English to real life.
Yes, I'll do that.
And for everyone listening, try this too. Every morning, describe the weather in English.
Great idea. All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode. Talk about the weather. Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye for now, and stay sunny or cozy, whatever your weather is.